applies for 18-inch dowel bench. 4 4-inch long square dowels with a pre-drilled hole on each end. 4 3 1/4 long square dowels. 2 5-inch by 2-inch wood blocks with pre-drilled holes on each end. 8 1/2-inch nails and 4 1/4-inch nails. Wood glue, hammer, needle nose pliers, fabric, foam for padding, and brush. To begin, cover your workspace with parchment paper. Then place a 4-inch dowel on the parchment paper with the holes facing up. Take the 3 1/4-inch dowel and apply glue to the edge. Then position the glued edge over one of the holes and place it onto the 4-inch dowel. Gently move the dowel as needed until all the edges are even, and when you run your finger on the seam, it feels like one uncut dowel and not two pieces joined together. Once you're happy with the joint, hold in place with a spring clamp. If you have a loved one nearby, ask them to help you place the clamps. Once done, repeat the process on the other side. Now while you wait for the first two joints to set, start working on the other leg. Repeat the process. Add glue to the 3 1/4-inch dowel. Place it over one of the holes on the 4-inch dowel. Hold it in place with a spring clamp, then repeat on the other side. Once done, set this leg aside to let the glue cure. Go back to the first leg to attach the second 4-inch dowel. Now that the gluing part of the project is done, it is hammer time.